I'm Dr. Pawluk. I just spent a delightful hour with Dr. Karlfeldt, who is hosting the Regenerative Medicine Summit. It was a fascinating discussion using his wisdom and knowledge and experience and my knowledge and use of PEMF therapies. And we discussed basically how to do regeneration with PEMF therapy, how PEMF therapy becomes really important for general health and health maintenance. And we talked about this interesting concept about entropy and how as we get older, we lose the energy in our bodies to be able to regenerate and heal and maintain our health for our lifetimes and lifespans. So everything that Dr. Karlfeldt is doing is critically important. And then what people also need to do, and I think he supports this significantly, is our discussion about the use of PEMF therapy for anti-aging and regenerative medicine. And I strongly recommend that you consider getting my book, Supercharge Your Health with PEMF Therapy, because that goes into all the reasons why, and not only the reasons, but also the hows and how to use it. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the conference.